We will definitely go through the following steps in deeply. The agent development mean you have to have a plan at the very beginning. How do you conduct the recovery process? When you're conducting the recovery process, uh, you have you have to have a proper plan for the replication. It means in the one side you are having your executable application. On the other hand, you are maintaining your target recovery applications. It means always when you are executing your original application, you are keep backupping. You should keep backupping the or you should have to update the real-time data to your backup computer, and you should have a plan called blueprint configuration. Blueprint configuration means once error occur, what you going to do in next. It means it can be something like this. When you have a blueprint, you are saying, okay, if A gets fails, you have to create a new instance called B and and execute the B. Or you can start the B computer and execute the B's operation. Likewise. So large scale machine launch. So again, so once one application or one server get failed, you have to go ahead with another server. That's the reality. So you have to make sure it will execute as you expect. It will going to happen as you plan. To validate this one, you have to do the testing. And further, you can use the post script. Post script mean post launch script. It means once you launch, what should be happen in the next. And again, there's another advantage of failover and the feedback. When you get any failure, definitely you will get notified. And further, it will not allow us to fail entire system. Someone carry on the functionality. Hourly bill. You just need to pay what you have consumed. The number of communication hours, number of data that you have consumed, number of displays that you have consumed, you have to pay for all, not for the something you didn't consume. Unified solution. This recovery process is very unified. It means well defined process. So it is the standard process. To follow the standard process is quite easier than uh, follow a different types of process, the custom made process. So those are the advantages comes with the Amazon recovery services. And disaster recovery life cycle. Okay, as I said at the very beginning, we are starting from this one. So you have to have a source environment. What do you mean by the source environment? We are discussing two terms, source and the target. Source environment means the production environment. The actually your production application going to run in the source environment, and it is the real execution environment at the normal duration. The target object means the source application always do the backupping to the target environment. Imagine the previous example, the machine A hold the system, and it is containing our uh, application, and it is doing the execution. A is the source object and B is act as the target object. It is